Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Seaside Heights, New Jersey, part of the New York Channel's summer series of Jersey Shore locations. I'm at Casino Pier, lots of rides, lots of family, lots of fun, food, drinking. Come along with me, it's going to be a fun time tonight. Kind of ironic, Superstorm Sandy took out most of this boardwalk in this area.
This is Frankie the Flip-Flop. He follows me around all my Jersey Shore videos. Sometimes he's elusive, sometimes he's very easy to find. Spot him in this video, note the time you spotted him in the comments below, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out once again to Deborah Camacho, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, Italy, where I have a not so great slice of sausage pizza. Check it out. Congratulations, Deborah. I remember years ago when I was about 9 or 10 years old, this used to be my favorite place to come to as a child, and we didn't live close to here. It was 2.5 hours from our home, and my parents drove me down here one afternoon. It was a Saturday or Sunday on the weekend, and they gave me $10 to do whatever I wanted to do with for about an hour or hour and a half. And back in those days, $10, you can do a lot in an hour or an hour and a half. I wanted to play the games at chance on the boardwalk, you know, the balloons, the wheels, maybe win some candy, and go on rides. I loved rides. Well, shortly after them giving me the $10, I lost it. And I didn't have the heart to tell them that. And I just watched all the other kids go on rides and play the games on the boardwalk. And I pretty much did nothing. I met my parents an hour and a half later. By the way, this was back in the day when you could let a 10 or 11-year-old child walk the boardwalk by himself. It was no big deal then. Today, no one, of course, would do that. But in any event, I never told them that I lost the $10, and they made a special trip down here, and well, it was a long ride back home for me, and I never told them, like I said, and they're probably watching this video today and saying, I don't ever remember taking Jeff down to Casino Pier. So there's that. Times have certainly changed. These days, I would pay not to do that. Tilt-A-Whirl was my sister's favorite ride, and I can't count how many times we went on that ride because she liked it. And of course, I would never say no to any ride. And one day we coaxed my mom into coming on with us, and our day was cut short. She had to go to the drugstore for Coke syrup. Do they still use Coke syrup? You guys know I love my Ferris wheels as well as observation wheels, and whenever I get the opportunity, I hop on one and do a recording from one. But there are one or two in the places that I visited that don't allow single riders for balancing reasons, so that the cars don't tilt one way or the other. And I totally understand that, but as you also know, I usually do these recordings by myself because I don't like to work while I'm with friends and family. So this is one of those Ferris wheels that I've been dying to go on, and every year I come here, they say no single riders. Wah, wah. I think I'm going to have to bring a friend or a family member out here, coax them with maybe a free drink or something so that I can get a recording off this particular wheel. By the way, a little known fact about New York videos, friends and family are in my videos, I just don't point them out. If you watch enough of my videos long enough, you'll notice that, well, certain people in the background start to look familiar.
This looks like the entrance to the Holland Tunnel.
If you're familiar with my mascots, this looks like a little cabbie tilt-a-whirl. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on that thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video, and I am about, I don't know, a dozen, maybe a dozen and a half subscribers away from 10,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. What a bunch of wusses. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.